Grok AI is finally back, and in this video I'll show you how you can access it. This video is going to be a very quick one, so you need to follow it accordingly. To access this, you need to go to X, that's Twitter, on your mobile phone or on your laptop. Simply just go to where you see your profile picture here. Tap on that profile picture, and among this option you are going to see premium. Tap on that premium, and then you will see three different categories of membership. Now you have the basics, you have the premium, and then you have the premium plus. The one we are going to be using is the premium, so tap on premium, and then this is the amount you are going to pay. It is just 3,800 naira for the first 2 months, meaning they are giving you a 50% discount. So tap on that and proceed to make the payment. Use your ATM card to make the payment. After you have made the payment, now we are going to go to your App Store or your Play Store to download Grok AI app. Search for Grok AI app on your Play Store or your App Store and then install it. After installing it, open it up, and then you are going to see this interface. From this interface, instead of us using continue with Google or continue with Apple, we are going to use continue with X, meaning we are going to use that X account we just subscribed to log into Grok. Tap on that and it's going to load up. Now click on authorize app so that Grok AI can use your X account to log in. Now after you have successfully logged in, you are going to now see an interface like this. From here, tap on create video so that you can start creating your video. You can also use it to create your images. I'm going to use the create video option. After tapping on that, in the text box area, this is where you enter in the description of what you want to create. For this particular example, this is what I want to create. After entering in that, click here to do the necessary settings, but you need to bear in mind that this subscription we just did will not allow you to generate 10 seconds video at once. You will only have access to the free features you were getting from Grok before it was monetized. Set that and then set your aspect ratio. For this, I'm going to be using the 16:9 aspect ratio, but if you are creating your videos for TikTok or Facebook, you set it to 9:16 aspect ratio. After setting your aspect ratio, tap on the send button and your video is going to be generated. Now take a look at the video we just generated.
Please help me with Grok AI for free.
You can see that it actually works, so you can go ahead to generate your video as much as you like. If this video was helpful to you, do not hesitate to like this video, and if it works for you, let me know in the comment section of this video so that others can benefit. Thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.